incredulous, unwilling or unable to believe. Example: she gave him an incredulous look when he said he could fly. Wistful, having or showing a feeling of vague or regretful longing. Example: he had a wistful look in his eyes as he stared at the old photographs. Elusive, difficult to find, catch, or achieve. Example: the butterfly was elusive, evading capture at every turn. Knavish, dishonest or unscrupulous. Example: the knavish trickster managed to con the crowd. Heinous, utterly odious or wicked. Example: the crime was so heinous that it shocked the entire community. Disdainful, showing contempt or lack of respect. Example: she looked at him with a disdainful expression when he interrupted her. Cumbersome, large or heavy and therefore difficult to carry or use, unwieldy. Example: the box was cumbersome to carry up the stairs. Dauntless, showing fearlessness and determination. Example: the dauntless explorer ventured into the unknown. Reverent, feeling or showing deep and solemn respect. Example: the crowd stood in reverent silence during the ceremony. Petulant, childishly sulky or bad-tempered. Example: he gave a petulant response when he didn't get his way. Sanguine, optimistic or positive, especially in a bad or difficult situation. Example: despite the setbacks, she remained sanguine about the future. Audacious, showing a willingness to take surprisingly bold risks. Example: his audacious plan to climb the highest peak was met with awe. Garrulous, excessively talkative, especially on trivial matters. Example: the garrulous neighbor kept talking for hours about her cats. Furtive, attempting to avoid notice or attention. Example: she gave a furtive glance around the room before slipping out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.